Hey.
Well, what's the good word? Any minnows today?
Just got them here about 10 minutes ago.
Just got minnows? Nice. That's what we've been catching so far. We got, what, 3 of those things? It's early. It's 12:35.
Coming in hot. Got it. Ooh. If that's a perch, that could be pretty nice. Pretty hefty. Ooh, it's a walleye.
Another little walleye.
Oh, these walleye are acting like perch. He bit on some waxies. Another 10-inch walleye.
What is it?
Doesn't feel bad. Feels pretty decent.
One of them crappies.
That's a nice crappie. Holy cow, that's a nice crappie.
We were marking some crappies when we first got here.
That would be a nice eating crappie.
Beauty.
Probably 11 inches.
Yeah.
Slabs. Slapping the slabs.
Well, what's up, fisher people? We're back. Well, Brandon and I were last year. There's another crappie on the
Get
Markham.
down there.
And the site of the place that I lost, potentially my biggest walleye I've ever had on the line. Oh goodness, what is this? If this is a walleye, this is a monster. It will not move.
Oh my gosh, I just saw it. Holy cow.
Big walleye? At least second or third biggest. Got off in the Akavy cord. This year we got to mark them, so that can't happen this year. But anyway, massive blizzard a couple days ago, and super big cold front. Maybe gonna get above 0 today. It was a -9 when we got out here to the ramp and walked out to our first few spots. First few spots we got some little walleyes, nothing great. Saw some small perch. Now we're seeing some crappies here off the spot that we pounded fish last year. I hope there's some walleyes that are gonna show up, but it is 2 o'clock.
A little after 2 maybe?
A little after 2. Just starting recording. Not a lot of interesting stuff to start with. Hopefully we can at least get some crappies. If not, find these walleyes coming in here. Stay tuned. Take it. Oh, he shot back down a little bit. He's still there.
He's gonna get you.
Come on, buddy. Should have just had a minnow head. I just realized I got the whole thing. Come on, bite, buddy. No, sir. Boy, there's a lot going on there now. Holy cow. Oh, geez, he just darted across the Markham. I don't know if that was a crappie or a walleye.
Boy.
Oh, I missed him. They're just streaking right. Oh, that's a long pike.
That could be
Holy
fun.
cow.
Until it gets caught up in the...
That's a good way to lose a lure. I want to know if I still got any minnow on here.
Got him.
There you
Oh,
go.
that's the pike.
That's the pike?
Yep, that's the pike for sure. Still in the marking cord. Oh, that's a decent pike. Maybe pushing 30.
Oh, yeah. Well, about 30, but there's his head.
Not a bad pike.
Yeah.
Not if I was eating fish today.
Oh, shoot. Took the buddy over enough.
Still a nice fight. I bet he's 28.
Yeah. It's nice.
I'll take that.
Sweet, dude.
Woo. Nice little fight. Thank you, buddy. Just soaked the Bexar.
I don't remember the last time you caught a pike here. Did we ever catch pike walleye fishing in the summer? I thought maybe we caught a handful, but not a lot. Oops.
And I caught him. So we were thinking we were going to catch some crappie here, so I had a little, I forget what these are called.
I still might catch a crappie right now.
You seeing more down there?
Yeah. There we go. Come on, buddy. Haven't figured out the magic move for these crappie. Ooh, on the camera again.
Yeah, crappie. More crappie.
Is that the one looking
and
at me?
more crappie.
Come on, bite. Maybe they don't like my color. I got a purple one on here.
Wonder if that pike was going after these crappie.
Yeah, maybe. What was your move when you got the crappie? Just shaking it?
Yeah, just kind of bouncing it on the spot, maybe raising it a little bit.
There he is. Oh, that's a better fish, Brandon. I don't think that's a crappie. If it is a crappie, it's another really good one.
Oh, the camera just moved.
I think it's a walleye.
I think you might be in the camera. God dang it.
Oh my
Monster
god!
crappie!
Oh my
Holy
god!
cow!
What a slap!
Oh my gosh, that's like that's 15, I think. I've got a.
You got a tape?
I've got a tape, yeah.
I forgot my tape. I was gonna bring it, and
Oh, 13 and a half.
13 and a half. That's still a very nice fish.
That is a fat crappie. That's a nice fish.
That's fun. Not what I expected to catch in this lake, but I guess they're here. For all the crappie fans out there. Feast away. We definitely got some fish going out here.
Huh?
Talking to my camera. And decided to drill some more holes around the area, look around a little bit. So we're basically on a big long point that comes offshore and then eventually meets the deep basin, and that's where those crappies were cruising. It was right on the edge of that point. There might be more crappies out in that basin, but we don't want to go fish them. We don't want to go fish them too super deep because we don't want to kill a bunch of fish on the ice. So we're just hopping around trying to find a spot a little shallower that still has fish to maybe reset. It's been the fishiest spot we've had so far, at least with decent fish between the pike and the crappie, and not catching 10, 12-inch walleyes and 5-inch perch. I'd love to do more hole hopping, but it is just too freaking cold for this. I'm back in the shack now. Brandon's doing some more scouting. We're trying to find the right place to be at that prime time bite. There's another fish though. I think we kind of missed the early ice window, honestly. And so now we're dealing with some more finicky, sluggish fish, really. So it might all come down to that last hour or two of the day. Oh, there's a crappie that almost got off. That last hour or two of the day to make everything happen. So we want to make sure we're in the right spot that last hour or two of the day. They're obviously out a little deeper right now than we're comfortable with. We're gonna have to, we're gonna have to keep both of those crappies, because they're not looking like they're gonna make it. So we want to find the right place to be. We want to be up a little shallower. So like I said, we're on the end of this point, kind of where it flattens out in the basin. We want to be more up on the point where the fish are hopefully going to slide up in the evening. Hopefully walleyes too. There was another hump we were fishing that had small walleyes earlier, so it's either hopefully this one turns on, or maybe we go back to the other hump, see if some bigger walleyes start biting by the time we get there. But we want to be a little shallower come evening, and I don't know if there's gonna be a great like 3, 4, 5 foot bite. If it is, we're not on it, so we're not going to try to get that. So we're just going to try to find the fish that are moving from really deep, just pushing right up onto the points and humps a little bit. Want to make sure we're where we want to be when the time comes. So that's the deal for now. As it is, getting a few crappies and a pike. Pretty deep water. Let's hope they get bigger.
Double?
That's the third spot we've had where we caught walleyes, but they're all just so tiny. There he is. Feels walleye-esque. Oh, down he goes, like an 8-inch walleye. Might be slightly bigger. 12 inches.
Did we get into double digits?
Oh, we got doubles. Thumbnail? We need some bigger fish to roll in here.
Land him for me too.
Oh, monster perch.
Oh my goodness. That's
Monster
better than
perch
all the
right there.
walleye we've looked at. He choked it. That is gone.
There's something down there for sure. Come on, do it. Bigger perch, bigger walleyes. Is it possible? It feels bigger too.
Yep. Oh, this feels real good. Ooh, this is a big fish. This is a big fish. Yeah, this is a big fish.
What happened to your reel, I wonder?
Don't know. But this is a really big fish.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Light, right?
This is a really big fish. Unless it's stuck in the market, this is. Oh boy. This could be a big fish. Feels like a walleye too, it doesn't feel like a pike. Oh, he's gonna go for a run, I can feel it. It's heavy. Oh, it's a
Big
pike.
pike.
It's a big pike. Ah, shoot. He didn't go on any crazy runs.
Puking up shrimp everywhere. Now he's going on a run. What an adventurous day.
Nope. Did he just break my line? Nope. He got off.
Got off.
Cool.
Huh.
Oh, the line was wrapped around an eyelet.
We've caught about 10 more walleyes, but they've all been the same size. Brandon's running up and scouting even shallower just to see if maybe the fish moved up shallow because the bite kind of quit the last 15 minutes. We haven't even marked them, so I don't know if the bite literally just stopped that early or if they ran up shallower on this point, so that's why he's out there doing that. And whether or not we move the shack one more time, we were kind of assuming we were settle feeding, but if he gets on fish, it's better than not being on fish. Oh, I just lost him. It's tough here this year. I don't think that weather system did us any favors. Probably make this day 1. Tomorrow will be day 2. So, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, stick around, and see if we can get something better tomorrow. That's the deal. Bye for now. Are we gonna have another late flurry? I don't think it's any bigger is a problem. Same old, same old.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a good fish. Not quite that much today, but
It's at least 20, right?
I think so. I'd say right on 20.